I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the wallet type and creating an account right away. This determines control and recovery options. Create and verify your seed phrase, write it down on 2 physical backups, and store them separately so you can recover funds. Next, connect a payment method, bank transfer for lower fees or card for speed, so you can fund the wallet. Once done, enable basic security, PIN, biometric unlock, and 2-factor authentication. These steps reduce account theft risk and prepare you to transact. Fund the wallet using your chosen method, noting ACH holds versus instant card deposits. This affects timing. When sending, choose an appropriate fee. Lower fees save money but may delay confirmation. Higher fees speed completion. Adjust based on urgency. For crypto, monitor network gas and set custom gas if needed. Always verify the recipient address visually and with clipboard checks. Use QR codes to avoid typos. Once you submit, track confirmations in the app. Double-check transaction ID. Finish by confirming the transaction reached the required confirmations and save the receipt or transaction ID for records. Make a final, secure backup of your seed or private key and update your app and hardware firmware so you stay protected from known vulnerabilities. Revoke unnecessary smart contract approvals and disconnect unused devices. If a transaction gets stuck, try speeding it with a replace by fee or higher gas. If you use a custodial wallet, contact support with TZID. These closing steps lock in security and give you recovery paths if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.